I love seeing the inside of other small RVs. But when I stepped inside this custom Mercedes Sprinter van, I was shocked. I felt like I was in an Airstream. Wait until you see what's inside. But first, if you're new here, I'm Randy. And every Thursday, I help you make big memories in small campers. And say it with me, because weekends are just too short.
There are very few vans that have this size head. Where I'm 5'3", my husband's 6 feet tall, he can shower in here and his shoulders don't touch the walls. All you have to do is dry this off with a microfiber cloth when it's done. That's all it takes for care. As a matter of fact, I only use microfiber on the whole van to clean it. From the ceiling to the walls to the windows to everything. Only microfiber.
Let's show them the curved door.
Beautiful. It's the S-curved wall.
Oh, I love it. It's gorgeous.
This is a clamshell end, which is a really unusual end for a cover, but we try and make use of every bit of space.
There's so much attention to detail everywhere. I couldn't believe all the storage space. I'm not sure how much this cost. I wonder if it's over $100,000. What do you think? It's out of my price range, but it's always fun to look. Are you like me and like to snoop inside other RVs? If you've never seen the inside of an Airstream before, they're really slick in design. And I was fortunate enough to tour several of the different Airstream models. If you've never been in one before, you need to see this. I'll leave a link to that video right up here and in the video description below. So I'll see you over in that video next.